Namaste, welcome to Revision with Vrithi. Today we will see the practice 3, estimating quotients. What is estimating quotient? We have to estimate the quotient, or we have to rounding off the number. That is estimation of the quotient. Okay. First we have to round the numbers and then we have to divide that. Okay, that is estimating quotient. So first, rewrite the division statements by rounding off the numbers. Okay, quick drill. So first, 83 divided by 40. 83, rounding of 83 is 80 divided by 50, and 867 divided by 38. 867, that is 900 divided by 40. 402 divided by 23. 400 divided by 20. 56 divided by 17. 60 divided by 20. 978 divided by 12. 1000 divided by 10. So this is a rounding of the number. I hope you know about this. Next, practice 3. Estimate the quotient by rounding. First, 87 divided by 18. First we have to round off this number. (87) divided by 18. 90 divided by 20. Cut this 9 divided by 2. So here quotient is 4 and remainder is 1. Understood? B. 75 divided by 17. 75. 80 divided by 20. 8 divided by 2. So quotient is 4, remainder is 0. Okay, answer is 4. Understood? And next, 198. 198 divided by 19. 200 divided by 20. So we have to round off this and we have to divide this. 20 divided by 2. So answer is 10. Okay. Understood? In the same way you have to do. Okay. First you have to round off the number, then you have to divide. For this we finished our practice 3. Tomorrow we will see practice 4. Okay. Thank you.